Dear students, today we are here with the word problems on integers. That is a practice question forum. I hope that all of you watch the lead video and there they will clear all the concepts of how to find or how to solve word problems on integers. According to that, they will given the homework. Practice question in practice question 4.4 4.4 and 4.7 on practice question 4 of integers on SB page 19 SB 19 book. Okay, now we will solve 4.4. An elevator is on the 12th floor. It goes down 12 floors and then up 5 floors. Which floor is the elevator on now? Okay, 4.4 given what they will given an elevator on the 20th floor. It goes down 11 floors and then goes up and then goes up 5 floors. They are given. Then asked what they will ask on which floor is the elevator now operations. Here which operation we can use? Operations addition and subtraction. Reason why we will use this operation, because of when the elevator goes up, we add when it goes down, we subtract. Okay, the next step is a statement 20 minus 11 plus 15. Okay, solution and working. Start from the left. Apply addition or subtraction. Apply addition or subtraction. Rules as necessary. 20 minus 11 plus 5. So this implies 20 minus 11 9 plus 5 equal to 14. So 20 minus 11 plus 5 it is an subtraction, and then 9 plus 5 equal to 14 is a addition. The elevator on the 14th floor now. Okay, similarly you can solve 4.7.